After years of scandal, the man accused of stealing from school children is walking free, smiling like nothing ever happened. Ruel Reid, once the Minister of Education and a close ally of Andrew Holness, is back in the spotlight. But the question Jamaica is asking, is this justice or a mockery of it? Former Education Minister Ruel Reid, the same man once trusted to oversee schools, students, and teachers, became the face of one of Jamaica's biggest corruption scandals. Allegations surfaced that millions of taxpayers' dollars, money meant for students and school programs, were funneled through shady schemes under his watch at the Caribbean Maritime University and the Education Ministry. Back in 2019, Reid was arrested along with former CMU President Fritz Pinnock, his wife and daughter. Investigators said taxpayer funds were misused for luxury living and political favors, from hotel stays to house repairs. But after years of court delays, legal maneuvering, and what many call elite privilege, the case seems to be fading into thin air. Today, Reid walks into court with his head held high. No shame, no remorse, while ordinary Jamaicans who steal a few dollars of food get locked away without mercy. What message does this send? That if you're powerful, connected, and part of the political elite, you're untouchable. It's no secret Reid was one of Andrew Holness's right-hand men, serving as principal at Jamaica College, before being promoted straight into government. That friendship raised eyebrows from day one. And now, with the trial dragging on and whispers of the case being quietly dropped, people are wondering, is the system protecting one of its own? Jamaica has seen too many of these stories. Big men stealing from the public purse, walking free while schools crumble and young people suffer. The corruption runs deep, from the top of government to the classroom door, and the people are tired. This is not just about Ruel Reid. It's about a culture of corruption that mocks justice and insults the working class. Jamaica deserves better leadership and real accountability. Stay tuned for more explosive stories. This is Michy Dex Commentary, where we talk truth to power. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's expose the crooks together.